Our goal in VAST is to make everything simple and intuitive. You can open a calendar item directly in VAST, or you can open a calendar item by clicking the VAST icon in your Google or Outlook calendar. At the event page, you can either delete the event entirely, or you can edit the information associated with that event. Please remember, any change you make in VAST will make the same change in your Google or Outlook calendar automatically. If you delete an event in VAST, it will delete the event in Google or Outlook. This is the event view. From here, you can change the calendar associated with the event, add a Google or Outlook virtual meeting link, or change the event template. Any information you change to the event details will be reflected in the Google or Outlook item. You may edit any information in the template sections by clicking in the boxes and adding your details. You can even remove the template sections you do not use by simply unchecking the box associated with that section. Once the information you wish to change has been updated, hit the Save Event in the top right corner and voila, it is updated. You are now able to see your changes in both VAST and Google or Outlook. Our goal is to keep the learning curve as flat as possible. We welcome all recommendations and encourage you to submit feedback. VAST was designed to be easy and quick. Using our calendar templates will help keep all of those details organized for you and your executive.